Hi everyone! Today is Sunday and I'm going to share with you a little bit about customizing your mask and making it your own with regard to pattern. Not shape of the mask, but pattern of the fabric. So we've been using fabrics that look like this, pre-printed. You get it from Joann's, from Sovac, now even from Michael's. And you've got a nice selection to choose from. Perfect. But what if what you wanted to do was get a mask with a specific kind of image that for which you can't find a pattern? For instance, no trademarks or copyrights. Someone asked for foxes and I was able to find foxes. That was great. Somebody asked for ladybugs. It took me a little while to find ladybugs and I got a whole bolt of it. Somebody might ask you for Squigglemom. And so this is a piece of work that I did. It uses a technique called thermofax that is for creating silk screens. It's a very specific technique and this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see that. I'll go bring it closer so that you can get a better look at it. This thermofax is used for making up to 30 or 40 screens and then it's pretty much done. But I don't know if you can see that behind that it carries the image of the Squigglemom head. So that is one way you can do it. Make a silk screen. If you don't have a thermofax, you could go get it done. You could do stenciling, right? You could hand draw or create your image. I do have one mask where I did just some Zentangle on it, which is a really cool technique. And I'll show you that in a different video. Here is an image. This image, you might say, oh, do you own the copyright to that image? This one is from the Creative Commons domain, which means that anybody can use it so long as they provide the information on where the image was from and who the author was, in this case someone in the US Navy. And so yes, this is Creative Commons. And then this is one that was made from images that we took. First of all, we made the Lego characters, then we took photographs of them, we digitally edited the image, and we put different colors behind it, layering in a tool we call GIMP. So these are 3 different ways that you can add your images. One, by simply uploading it to a site called Spoonflower, by using a stencil or a silk screen that has been created by you or by someone else, and in the Zentangle form, which I don't have the Zentangle one with me. I'm going to step out and get it, and then I will show you that. Can't find it. Okay, so that's it. Hand-drawn, stenciled, or thermofax, or silk screened, and printed on a site like Spoonflower. There we go. I'm sure there are many other ways. These are the 3 that I would like to suggest.